So for questions 9 and 10, every time I see a command of evidence problem, I'm always going to do it together. So number 10, this is a command of evidence. And number 9 is just a detail question, because detail questions just ask us what happened in the passage. So they're asking us, why does Akira say his meeting with Chi is a matter of urgency? So why I go ahead and do these together is because instead of looking at the whole passage, I want to look at just these 4 places, because these 2 answers have to relate. So the first option, which I'll mark in this blue, is this line right here. I don't want to trouble you. So it doesn't really tell us much, so it's probably not going to be the right answer, but let's go ahead and just mark all the lines first. Letter choice B in the orange says, normally I would approach you more properly, but I've received word of a position. I have an opportunity to go to America as a dentist for Seattle's Japanese community. And then I'll do this one in the brown. Lines 58 to 59 says, depending on your response, I may stay in Japan. I've come to ask for Naomi's hand. And then last in the purple, 72 to 73, says, I see I've startled you. So right off the bat, we see that A and D, the blue and the purple, they don't really offer much. They don't really tell us any information. So I'm just going to go ahead and eliminate those 2 choices. Next, we see 39 and 40 through 42 and lines 58 to 59. So they're both somewhat related. The orange one is actually giving the scenario. So this is what's happening. This is what's happening. And then that brown is kind of the result of her response. So this is more like the result. So when we go and look at the answers, it makes more sense that we're talking about what's happening rather than the result. So for letter choice, for number 10, sorry, the answer is going to be letter choice B. So this one right here is B. Number 9, let's go and look at that now. So why is his meeting urgent? Is it that he fears his own parents will disapprove of Naomi? That's not true, and we don't know that because it doesn't say anything about that. So let's go and eliminate that choice. Again, it has to relate to number 10, so it has to be the information that was given in these lines. He worries that Naomi will reject and marry someone else. It's nothing about Naomi here. He has been offered an attractive job in another country. Yes, that is our answer right there. So he got a new job and he wants to know whether he should stay or not. And then letter choice D, just to make sure he knows that Chi is unaware of his feelings for Naomi. Again, that's not given in the passage, so we can't say that. So for number 9, your answer is going to be letter choice C. And then for number 10, your answer is letter choice B.